Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at Tesla stock, and also we'll take a look at NIO, Rivian, Lucid, and Ford. So with that, let's jump right into it. Once I also let you know, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. So also remember guys, I have another channel, Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel. Link to that channel is in the description below. I sold some more Tesla today and I did buy a couple of other things as well. I am talking about, and I did sell some more other ETFs as well. More on that, to know about it, follow my Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel. Link to that is in the description of this video. All right. So what we have on Tesla right now, well, surprisingly good stuff is happening on Tesla stock and we are continuing to go up. All right. So seems like that overall structure that was still holding bullish even after so much of a sell-off, structure didn't change overall, right? Seems like that is coming to fruition and we are still technically remaining in the bullish structure, at least over here. Wow, my drawing. So what do we make out of it? Well, let's go to the lower time frame first. Well, before going to the lower time frame, let's talk about one thing first. And I want to turn on the short volume person, and this is something I have been talking about from many weeks now, because this is where I have been pointing out, keep watching this level of 237 with a high short volume percent before as well, earnings break of structure. 38 again, short volume high came over there, very same level of 237 area, and then we had a follow through on the huge sell-off. I'm still gonna say keep an eye on this level. All right, until we are not crossing above 236 and 72 cents or 237, you gotta be cautious, because that's where again some sell-off can happen. And right now we are going in that direction. Structure, as I showed you, is remaining overall bullish, but just be cautious. I like to be cautious in the market, especially at these critical levels. And so that's why it's all about sizing in, sizing out the position. And also on the weekly interval, seems like that's where you can see the confluence with the 230, that's $234 level. But 200 weeks moving average rejected over there. Let me just take a look quickly at, yeah, okay, there's a very minuscule difference, right? Like 234 was almost up till here. So you get my point. This is the zone though, guys, all right? With the level of this level with 200 weeks moving average and high short volume and earnings break chart as well, just keep an eye on this level. So yes, right now we are going in the uptrend. Daily structure remained bullish. We are seeing the bounce as well continue higher. Let's go to the hourly interval and let's identify the levels to watch. So well, and before that, again, I'm going to turn on this tool of mine. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description of this video. Since yesterday, we remained bullish. We had green candles all in all, and today also we just remained green. We did go above the cloud, came back, that turned out just to be a pullback, and then we got bought back up into the cloud and still continuing higher. All in all, it's looking at really a great price action. The rejection today that has been coming up is at 225 and 94 cents area at a previous significant level marked by my tool already, right? And if we can get above it, yeah, that's the same again level, guys, this 234 area zone, all right, where that high short volume previously is also, and there is this still active supply zone. So just be cautious, but things are looking good on Tesla. And even on 5 minutes interval, let's go down there, you can see that we were bullish in the morning, got well straight above the cloud, remained bullish, market opened, went up bullish. We pretty much turned red here. We did have a little bit of a blip of bearishness, a little bit over here, rebounded, then sold off, and then you can see structure turned bearish as well then. But then in the cloud, we again turned bullish and the structure continued to go up and remained bullish, right? So anyways, these tools helps in identifying where the structure is changing, you know, what to make out of it. You can also, you are aware about it, right? Just change it to flow and that just cleans it out more. And you are then really know what's happening where at what level and what you have to trade it as, what positions can be taken, right? So anyways, links are in the description below of this video if you need access to these tools. All right, so now, well, we are, guys, yeah, in the bullish structure, and I wasn't expecting this strength in the rebound, to be honest. But it all comes down to trading with the levels, and I just showed you as the levels they continued to hold their areas. Like for today, 220 and above, this previous area of resistance we took out continued higher up to the level above 225, and now we did find the bounce around that level and continuing higher. Now tomorrow, as long as Tesla, even if it does a pullback, wow, that's a really good push up. We still have just shy of 5 minutes to market to close. As tomorrow, if Tesla can hold any of these levels, guys, like 222 or 223 here, 20 hours moving average, as it can hold this tomorrow, it still can continue higher bullish play. At this point, the overall structure will break below 220, all right, even intraday. But yes, if we lose 223, there is more, a little bit, some more cool off may continue. So just keep watching the price action at that, and otherwise, I would just suggest just use my tools that helps you in understanding already what type of price action it is and what type of trades to take, right? So yeah, tomorrow 223 and above, no problem. And if we lose that, some cool off may continue to 220, but until then, those structure even on intraday will remain bullish. Watch then, if we fall down here, but if somehow rebound comes, that will have to be at 220. But until then, we'll have to take the technical structure as in an uptrend, is what I'm trying to say. So those are the levels to watch for tomorrow. It's looking strong, looking strengthful here, Tesla again, and I will still just point out, keep watching this level 234 to 236 due to the previous strong short zone, and seems like it's holding on to this channel still, Tesla, right? It's not going to be perfect channel, but it's still holding this channel. So anyways, that's Tesla, guys. Let's take a look at NIO now. So NIO continuing to, it's good that it's holding above 200 days moving average. Last time, when did NIO test 200 days moving average? If NIO can hold above here and continue push up here, that's great. Last time we sold off eventually. It's important that this time we continue to hold. Now, what did the levels I talked about for today, right? Like $5.30, this was the level I provided you. If we can hold above it, we are still bullish. We technically held above this level. There were actually some more levels as well, I think, that I talked about for today. But yeah, that's the significant level already, guys. Significant level holds more importance. We are holding the level technically, and we are continuing higher. At this point, I'm still going to give it this level. $5.30 is below where I'll say that there is weakness. Otherwise, NIO for now is also, it's looking good, but we have this huge supply zone up here at $6.50 to $7. That's the zone where ultimate test of NIO is for if it can push to continue up and higher. Rivian. Rivian, unfortunately, guys, is still in the bullish structure. Oh, sorry, still in the bearish structure. Things are not changing on this. Rebounds are still being shorted, and structure on this is not bullish right now. Is this a good consolidation? Well, even if it's a good consolidation, I want to first see it get above $13.63. If it can do it, that's great. If it can't, then no, it's not great. Okay, that's the problem. Lucid. No, guys, this thing is still in the downtrend. Right now, you can see the structure here. It's still bearish and it's not bullish. Well, so if it's not bullish, should we touch it to play the bullish? No, right? And I don't want to short a stock like $3.53 stock. Like, what would you short out of it? Yeah, it may take it quite some time before it even tries to turn bullish. We'll have to see. This is a good double bottom though, well, so watch just this level for tomorrow. Well, today it did get up one level, $3.50 went up to $3.60. You can watch $3.60 for tomorrow. If we can continue up there, that's a good possibility. It seems like it did find some support at one of the significant level down here with the double bottom. So let's see if it can push higher. So that's that with Lucid. Ford. So let's go to the daily interval. And unfortunately, Ford continues to right now remain still in the bearish structure, guys. Here you go. This is where we lost the structure, and thereafter we are still negative and continuing lower. So any green candle that has been coming so far, it's just been a rebounding candle lately. And so for, yeah, right now I'm not seeing any trend to the upside. And so yeah, right now it's also in the downtrend. Well, anyways, the market is just about to close, I guess, right? Yeah. Now it's closed, and Tesla closed really nicely, guys. 226 and 13 cents. Very good closing price on Tesla. So let's see if we can push up higher tomorrow again to test 236 and 87 cents, or 234 or 5 to 236 zone. This is the zone, right? So this is going to be a very critical, important zone for tomorrow to watch what happens, right? And as long as we continue to hold those bullish levels as well that I provided you on the hourly interval, and yeah, levels like 223 area, 220, those things. But yeah, anyways, so it's in an uptrend. Let's see if it can push higher, and if it can take out this supply zone here, Tesla guys, that will be really awesome. That would really be awesome. That opens up the doors again then for Tesla to test $270, you know. So that would be that. Anyways, that's it for this video, and if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.